Others would be worse.
Hey, yo, Murph. He's coming around.
The strike. We got it.
It's okay, Has.
Murphy.
They intercepted almost all the missiles. Big residential neighborhoods made it. We saved a lot of lives.
Yeah, and all your wounds are superficial, so you're gonna be okay. You know, aside from whatever you picked up swimming in the East River.
You should see the one that got away.
Hey, they want to take him to the fob over at Fulton, just to be safe.
I'm fine.
Guys. Has. It's Mills. She says President Fernandez has been moved to a safe house across town.
Tell her we gotta make a stop at Empire Fulton Ferry.
Wait. Kincaid!
He's not here, Has.
It's because the bastard's on his way to the real target. What's bigger than New York?
President Fernandez.
That's right. Yeah, go. Get the location of the safe house from Mills. Tell her we're headed there now.
Roger that.
Headed there in... what? Our little bird got totaled.
There's our ride right there.
That thing? Pretty sure Pax just ditched that.
Yeah, well, if it runs, we're in business. Look, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But you can visit me in the brig after the president's safe, okay?
I'm glad the fall knocked the stick out of your keys from top.
Amid reports of casualties across Brooklyn in the wake of this devastating attack, emergency services are focused on rescue efforts along the East River, while the White House press secretary refused to confirm President Fernandez's location.
Okay, we get it. If he was safe, he'd be on the news instead of the anchors.
Running scared.
Can you blame them? It's not the first time this town's been through hell.
All thanks to one man.
Kincaid will pay for this. Don't worry.
What about President Fernandez? We warned him if he just listened.
So you're good with Pax getting him down in the street?
Fuck off, I know who the enemy is.
Enough. We do our job. Leave the rest to the folks like Mills.
Hey, what's that?
God. It's the presidential motorcade.
Shut the hell. Pax already found them.
Where's the principal? Or the counter-assault team?
No sign. No movement. Wait. Listen. Sounds like the cat team to me.
That's it. No way around.
We got one. Through that playground. Go fast, go quiet. Whoever's fighting needs us now. Us. As a team. Got it? Let's go.
Pax knew right where to ambush him.
Dagger 1-3. Any cat members in the area?
You getting anything?
No. Too busted up. Let's get in there.
Pax ahead.
Okay, Dagger. No radio contact yet, so Cat doesn't know we're coming in. Pick your targets. Cat has a job to do. Give them space while we do ours.
We're splitting the forces!
Target eliminated. Enemy fire from above. Dagger, the Secret Service has the principal inside the beast. They're under heavy fire.
Moving up to give him coverage.
How many do they have?
No, it's a decoy. The real beast is inside the fire station. Cat's taking casualties.
Toss grenade!
Max is bringing in long-range fire.
Gecko! Scout! Sniper eliminated! Cat's holding out by the fire station.
Let's go. It won't hold out much longer.
Got a weapon here.
I'm dry! Need to reload!
That's reinforced.
They're sending a damn convoy!
They're lighting up the fire station.
They're lighting up the fire station! They know the president's in there!
I'm reloading!
Taking heavy darkness. Copy. Chad is holding the stairs. The president is above.
Securing this floor!
Finally pushed them back.
How does Pax still have so many guys? Got it. Chad is waving us in. Come on.
Ammo over there.
Eagles incoming.
Whoa, friendlies! Friendlies.
That's got to be Dagger. They're clear. Gecko. Stairs.
10 years of service, and all it took was a stray bullet.
Bester called first, sir. If we can trace these Soken packs, no contacts, no signals, we're alone.
Dagger, this is John Rossetti, head of my protective detail. I suppose you know who I am.
Mr. President, do you need a medic?
What I need is my chief of staff. Only Pax shot Gale in the neck trying to get to me.
Sir,
Just like Pax put millions of people in the firing line. This is the world the Coalition wants. No diplomacy, no compromise. Just survival of the fittest.
I'll leave the politics to you, sir. The Pax are still out there.
Marine One and its escort are en route. But the street's too hot for an extraction.
Sounds like we're securing the roof.
He'd be a sitting duck.
For who? We wasted the Pax forces outside. If we go right now...
Negative. Half of the PPD just got wiped out. No one is taking the boss anywhere until I know it's safe to move.
John. I can't coordinate with the Joint Chiefs until I'm clear. Which means we can't save Brooklyn until we get out of here. I'll take the chance.
Understood, sir. Okay. Let's do this right. Look, I don't have the people to scout ahead and run defense here. Can you back us up?
I'll stay. Murphy, secure the rooftop for Marine One. When it's clear, we'll link with you.
Copy that.
Good luck.
This is Marine One. Visual on the LZ.
Shit! Marine One! Take off!
Mayday! Clearing the airspace! Red air! Red air!
They're not gonna make it!
Fuck! They're gone! We've got drones incoming!
Murphy, sound off.
Drones took out Marine One. Stay away from the windows.
Swarming us!
Watch your heads!
Adams! Okay, sit him down! Get pressure on it! Murphy, we need you three back back inside.
Shouldn't we look for survivors?
No time. Not with the drones and a president to protect. And that's not a crash you'd walk away from. Eagle's returning. As Pax got all 3 helicopters. Marine 1 and both escorts.
Damn it. All right, we're cut off. We need options. What about the Beast? It's armored?
Right, but it's already damaged. I wouldn't bet it against a swarm of drones.
And this building isn't safe.
No, we need air support, more ground forces, or a way to thin out the drones.
Not the drones. The operators.
Do we know where they are?
They'd have to be close. Probably with a protection detail. Enough space to launch them.
A PAX force that big in the open. Marine 1 would have called it in.
Prospect Park is down the block. Canopy, cover. If I was a drone jockey, it's where I'd want to be stationed.
All right, start in the park. Clear the skies, we'll run defense from here. Lopez, you're with me. I need a spare gun and a corpsman on standby.
Got it.
You got this, Marine?
Yes, sir. Gecko, Espina, and I can handle it.
Stay up on comms, but be smart. Don't discuss the boss by name.
Sir, what's your PPD code name?
That would be Everest. Make it fast.
Pax in the park! Multiple targets!
Looks like you were right about Prospect Park. We can probably figure out the drone's flight path from here.
You do it. I'll keep you covered.
Gecko, need your eyes ahead.
Copy. 7 hostiles ahead.
Drone neutralized!
We got drones. There.
Tango sighted. Park's full of them. Drone operator down! They're getting organized.
They think they bloodied us at the time. Now comes the kill.
More drones! Gecko, scout ahead!
Copy! On your right! 60 meters, elevated!
Drone destroyed!
Covering! Engaging! Drones again! Hold form around here! Weapon drive! Reloading!
Enemy in sight! Keep sharp!
Grenade incoming! Weapons free! On me!
Better take this. Changing loadout! Scout the area!
On it! Multiple tangos spotted!
Reloading!
Keep going! Don't let up!
Drone destroyed! Drone operator eliminated! you to scout ahead.
On it.
Close.
Dagger 1-3, actual to Murphy. Sit rep.
Closing in on the operators. Prospect Park is crawling with hostiles. Looks like they're gearing up for round 2.
Everest is secure for now, but there might be movement outside, so pick up the pace.
Hold the line! Reloading! Gecko, scout ahead.
Chasing 5 tangos.
Target eliminated!
Trying to cut us off. Don't let them hunker down.
Copy that!
Explosive deployed. Gecko, scout ahead.
RPG down!
Copy.
Got him. They're running the drones from under Indale Arch.
Smart. Can't be seen from the air.
We secure the area first, then neutralize their gear.
Copy that! Move now! Drone launched! Enemy neutralized!
Gecko, scout ahead.
Roger that.
30 meters!
Got 5 enemies in range.
It's gonna take us too long to unhook all this drone equipment.
C4?
C4.
On it. Watch my 6. Fernandez is spoiling for a fight.
Makes sense. This is no time for the U.S. to show weakness.
So we can't be weak, and Pax can't care about collateral damage? Where does it end?
We can't solve tomorrow today. Let's get the job done.
Okay, we're ready. Let's get some cover.
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Murphy, it's Carter. Looks like we got a window to move Everest. Lopez is en route to get you. Nice work. No drones, no waiting.
Great. Another tax vehicle.
How's Carter? And Everest?
In the beach with the rest of his detail. They're en route. The plan is to head for the fob at Fulton. Should be a straight shot there.
We've been chasing down Pax long enough to know it ain't gonna be a straight shot.
Okay, we're on.
Murphy, this is Carter. Pax forces are on the move. The lockdown means no civilian traffic, but we've got abandoned vehicles ahead.
Copy that. Hold steady, Lopez.
I got it. Just spot for me. Isn't that window bulletproof? Yeah, but it's not like a million bulletproof.
down! Gives us the advantage! Moving into position!
Stay your lane.
Haz, is everyone okay?
Alive and rolling. Be still, hold together.
Front tank, 60 meters!
Keep moving! The street's unstable!
Watch out!
Watch overhead!
Not gonna make it!
Lopez, you good? I'm good, I think. Gecko!
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Looks like we're in the subway. That roof's not gonna hold. Come on, let's move. Haz, you okay?
We just scraped through. Where are you?
The subway, believe it or not. We'll take the tunnel to Fulton Ferry.
All right, be careful. There's only one man who'd ride a tank into Brooklyn.
Kincaid?
Who else? Stay alert.
Watch your heads.
Okay. Let's see what we can see. Roof's real shaky. Come on.
You know, I can't help noticing
Lopez.
that we are in a frickin' subway again.
I'll take it over a tank.
And no trains. Lockdown's good for something.
You hear that?
Rats.
They sounded bigger.
New York rats. Flares. Watch your eyes.
Light him up! Reloading!
Pax must know we're headed to Fulton Ferry.
Then they'll know dropping a building on us wasn't enough.
A tank in Brooklyn. And after we nuke some fucking city because they support Pax, the next attack is gonna be hell.
Kincaid. We gotta reach Everest first. But if Kincaid shows us his base...
Put a hole in it, don't you worry.
Reloading!
It's bait. Don't take it.
Launcher eliminated! I'm out! Reloading! Marksman eliminated! I need cover fire! Reloading!
Use this ammo! Heavy gunner eliminated! Light! Finally!
We're overdue for a light at the end of the damn tunnel.
Almost there. Fulton Ferry should be right down the block. I'm reloading! More Pax forces.
Headed to Fulton Ferry.
We've still got time. Come on!
We're losing friendly!
10 o'clock!
Murphy, this is Stagger Actual. We need support at the fob.
We're on our way.
Good, because these fuckers brought more heavy guns. How much more? Clear the way and I'll fill you in.
Sniper eliminated! Better take this. Use this. Sniper eliminated!
Covering! Pax is throwing everything they've got at the top.
Let's get in there.
I need cover fire! Reloading!
Nicely done.
Cover me! Reloading! Scout the area.
On it. Can see 5 tangos.
Get into position!
Nice going, Murph. This way! All right, our evac is coming. We're going via the river.
Good. Kincaid's not far behind. How did Pax bring in this much hardware?
Must have blown through most of Salim's financing. Cat has Everest secured. We can take on Pax while they're focused on him.
Let's finish this.
Pax incoming! We're going for the base!
Fall back from the wall!
On your left, reload! Cover my 6!
Gecko, need your eyes ahead.
On it! Lots of enemy activity.
Cover me while I reload! Heavy gunner eliminated! Pass, grenade here.
Roger that.
Lopez, throw smoke.
Roger that.
Scout the area.
On it! Got 6 targets in my sight.
Reloading!
Get down! Coming in! They're regrouping.
Hold them just a little longer. Make bills and route.
Drop some rounds for you.
Keep up the fight, Marines.
Need smoke on this location.
Affirmative.
Gecko, need your eyes ahead.
Roger that. Lots of enemy activity.
Grenade on this area.
Copy.
Engineer KIA. Toss grenade.
Roger that.
Tanks in play.
Secure the zone for evac.
Tank is wasted.
Dagger 1-3 actual to Cat. Exfil's coming. If we're going, we go now. Understood, Dagger actual. Are we clear to move? Wait one.
Foe's here!
It's the gate.
Is he hit?
No eyes on, but he's near the carousel. Gecko, Lopez! Get Evers onto the second boat in Exfil.
Roger!
Roger! Covering! TBD, stay low! Go! All right, Murphy, you stay with me. We'll flank Kincaid. We'll run that bastard to ground.
Got it.
Let's move. We flank them. I got this side, you take the other.
Hey, pal! Go for Carter.
Fuck you.
Call him! Beg for someone to save you.
Fuck you.
Fuck me. Too late, pal. I've been screwed over by this world long enough, done things no man should have been asked to do. And just when I was going to put it right, you had to play the hero. And you won. Here's your prize.
You always did talk too much, Alex. Hands off. Now! You move again, and I'm gonna paint your brains all over those pretty horses there. Murphy, you alright?
Didn't check your corners. Must be a relief, huh? The brass showering you with honor and valor while deep down, you know this is what you really deserve. Those fuckers laughed when they threw acid over me. You know what it's like to smell your own face being eaten away? And the man you left behind goes on. That's justice.
Burn Brooklyn. For justice.
For a future. Because there's only one way to matter in this world, and that's not to serve. It's to make yourself too big to ignore. Or be forgotten.
I say again, additional gunshots heard. Spread out.
Commander Kincaid, we've got exfil standing by. On your command.
Muster up while you can, pal. Trust me. You have no idea what they'll do to you.
Keep pressure on. They'll send it up. Don't let this tear you down. You have to rise up.
going.